Around 17 charges have been filed against activists in the Bhima Koregaon case by top investigating agency NIA. It seems now there is no specific mention of a plot to kill the Prime Minister in these draft charges. Saurabh joining us at this point with much more on that. Saurabh, what more do we know?
Well, this is an important development because one of the reasons why these activists also have been questioning their continued incarceration and languishing in jail is because the NIA hadn't been able to sort of move forward with its investigation of framed charges, so to speak, which marks the beginning of a criminal trial. So with this, of course, the next step is framing of charges against the accused, which happens in a court, and that marks the beginning of the trial. But that is also likely to be delayed till, of course, cloned copies of the evidence that has been procured or sort of collected by the NIA to formulate these charges, a copy of which has to be handed over to the accused. That till that happens, the framing of charges is likely to be delayed. But one of the key sort of points that have been raised is that the Pune police, remember, which began this investigation, initially picked up activists and mentioned the specific plot to target the Prime Minister or to kill the PM. That was a allegation, and a very serious allegation that was there in the Pune police charge sheet, which the specific line of that seems to be missing in the NIA draft charges. Now, NIA sources clarify that the Pune police investigation hasn't been set aside and that there is, of course, mention of the plot, though it's not as specific as what the Pune police mentioned by way of a letter which they claim to have recovered as evidence from the laptop of one of the accused, which now itself has been called into question because a forensic analysis by a United States-based agency seems to have concluded that the evidence, the letter that spoke about the plot to kill the PM may have been planted. But beyond that, the NIA draft charge sheet does mention the plot to kill a public functionary, and they say that there was also the plot of possessing and transporting sophisticated weapons like the Chinese QLZ-87 automatic grenade launcher and the Russian GM-94 grenade launcher, an M4 with 4 lakh rounds, which by its very nature was to cause or likely to cause death or injuries to any person or persons, or loss or damage or destruction of properties, and was an attempt to do or cause death of public functionary. So the specific plot to kill the PM may not be mentioned in as many words, but the NIA sources say that the Pune police investigation is very much a part of the evidence, and the larger evidence, of course, has been mentioned, which they say is in point number 11, which is part of the draft charges. But this is, of course, an important sort of chapter in this case, because this formally, once the draft charges are submitted and the charges are framed, which is the next step, marks the beginning of the trial. And that is something that the accused have also questioned the NIA for the delay in submitting its charge sheet.
All right, Saurabh, thank you for those details.